Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. This video is an intro to the experiment I plan to launch on December 22nd, and if everything goes well, then the measurements we receive will determine unequivocally whether the world is a sphere and the sun is far away, or it's flat with a local sun. You've all heard of the Eratosthenes experiment, which calculated with shadow length measurement the circumference of the Earth. Now, some of the proponents of the flat Earth theory claim that the same results can also be obtained for a flat plane, and as a proof, bring the following chart. This chart illustrates the thing that flat earthers can still hang on about as proof to a flat world, or at least not a thing that's a proof to a spherical one. We, of course, know that the angles do not work out that way because geometry of a plane and geometry of 3D bodies are not the same. This is what winter in the northern hemisphere looks like. The Earth has a 23.5 degrees tilt, which causes us to see the sun above the Tropic of Capricorn, resulting in short days, long nights, and in northern enough places the sun doesn't shine at all. As the annual orbit advances, the Earth aligns so that the tilt is perpendicular to the sun, which causes us to experience days equal in length between daytime and nighttime, and to see the sun above the equator. 3 months later, at the middle of summer, the Earth is exactly opposite to what it was in the winter. The sun is being observed over the Tropic of Cancer, the days are long and the nights are short. On a flat world, they believe it looks like this. The sun literally makes circles that expands from the Tropic of Cancer through the equator to the Tropic of Capricorn between summer and winter, and then retracts again between winter and summer. This is a side section of what we would see if the world is flat. From left to right you see the location of the experiment, the positions of the sun in the skies on the summer solstice, the equinox, and the winter solstice. Respectively, these are the shadow length and the cause for the changing shadow length on a flat Earth. On a ball, on the other hand, this is what happens. The Earth itself is the one that changes its angle, and accordingly the black pole changes its angle to the sun. Therefore, the reason for the changing shadow is this. Each season, the entire Earth is at a different angle in relation to the sun. So, a brief mathematical explanation of what we would measure exactly and what we expect. My location is latitude 31.35 north, which puts me 6,099 kilometers from the Tropic of Capricorn, in the first phase of the experiment, which is the winter solstice. Link to the map that shows the distance is in the description. According to the heliocentric model, the angle to be obtained is 54.85 degrees. Assuming this is really what we get, the result is still inconclusive, and to the same extent, a small local sun at 4,294 kilometers altitude will give the same result. 3 months from today, in the second stage of the experiment, the spring equinox, we will see whether a local sun at the same altitude will give the same expected angle or not. And that's for today, friends. At the solar noon of the winter solstice, Sunday, December 22nd at exactly 11:37 a.m., everything will be ready for the measurement. I'll bring it all up here a few hours later. Feel free to share this video with whoever you want, and you're all welcome to mirror it on your videos and channels. I was, as always, Round Thinker, and see you in the next video.